Hello everyone, if you don't want to play Subnautica 2 and you keep getting this crash and Unreal process has crashed, then you have come to the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Subnautica 2 easily. So this error can occur if your graphic card's drivers are out of date. So the way you can fix that is you're going to update your graphic card's drivers. So you're going to open up your web browser. I'm going to show you NVIDIA first and then I'll show you Intel and AMD. Go on to nvidia.com, click drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form then. So select your graphics card along with the model and your operating system. After that, click find here, and then you're going to download the latest GeForce Game Ready drivers on your computer. After you're done downloading the drivers, you're going to install them. Now on to Intel, go on to intel.com, click on to support here, click download center, click on to graphics, search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc A750 for example. You're going to click download on here and download and install the drivers. And now on to AMD, you're going to go on to amd.com, click resources and support, click drivers. Scroll down, click graphics and select your graphic card series along with the model. Click your operating system and click download on the latest AMD Adrenalin drivers. If the latest drivers don't work for you, then you're going to come back here, click on to previous versions, click your operating system, download the second last 26.3.1 version on your computer. So download these drivers and install them on your computer. After that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your games platform. You're going to right click on Subnautica 2, click properties, click install files, click verify integrity of game files here. Now you should be able to play the game. So the it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.